I rise to acknowledge and celebrate the efforts by so many across my electorate in Bradfield in responding to the extraordinary challenge of the pandemic throughout 2021. I first want to acknowledge so many people across the electorate who rolled up their sleeves and went to get vaccinated at the earliest possible opportunity. I'm very proud of the fact that by early November this year, 3 local government areas, wholly or partly within my electorate, Hornsby, Ku-ring-gai and Willoughby, had all exceeded 90% double dose rates. Of course, I want to acknowledge the extraordinary efforts of our local healthcare professionals in so many ways. Can I acknowledge Dr Heremanek and her team at the Roseville Vaccination Centre, where I personally was pleased to have 2 AstraZeneca shots, and I know that many others in the electorate of Bradfield were pleased to be vaccinated at facilities and pharmacies and doctors' surgeries throughout the electorate. Can I acknowledge particularly Helen and Sabina at Linfield Pharmacy, Kelly at Taylor's Pharmacy in Turramurra, and of course all of the other pharmacists and GPs across the electorate. Can I acknowledge our hospitals and substantial institutions, particularly the SAN in Wahroonga and Hornsby Ku-ring-gai Hospital. People in Bradfield can be very confident about the quality of medical care available to them at these widely respected institutions. Can I acknowledge our teachers and students who kept going through this very difficult period? I was struck one day when I joined 2 classes online, a Year 9 science class at St Ives High and a Year 11 class at Barker College, at the way both the teacher and the students were interacting, getting on with their work in the unusual circumstances of doing it over Zoom. Can I thank all of the ancillary and other services that perform such a vital role? Meals on Wheels, Ku-ring-gai Hornsby, continue to operate throughout the pandemic, ensuring that freshly cooked meals were delivered to senior Australians across the electorate in a COVID-safe manner. And I want to thank manager Nick Udale and his team of volunteers. They've delivered over 100,000 meals this year. Can I thank our local SES units who have been there on standby when needed to deal with emergencies and challenges. 2021 has been a very difficult year, but across Australia and certainly in my electorate of Bradfield, Australians have responded magnificently. We've got through this period of adversity, and I say thank you to all Australians and particularly those in my electorate of Bradfield.